For those of you that watched my dehydrating of bananas and freezing of banana video, well, you might have been wondering what I did with the banana skins. Well, here they are. I've chopped them all up into smallish pieces. Now I'm going to dehydrate them. You can actually use this straight on your garden as is. It's full of potassium and it has smaller amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus and magnesium. But, these banana skins are just too good to throw out and waste. So I'm going to make a powdered fertilizer out of this, and then it will go on to my garden. Okay, so I've just spread it out onto my dehydrating trays like this, and then put it on to dry. Okay, so that's all ready to go. So we'll just switch it on. Okay, so this is my dried banana skins. Now I'm just going to pop them into here and blend them. This is my powderized banana skins. Now it needs to go into some sort of container. I'm going to put this lot into a Ziploc bag. You can put it into any type of container that you choose to. Once you've contained your fertilizer, you need to label it with its contents and date it. To use this fertilizer, simply sprinkle some around your plants to give them an extra boost.